Hello, beautiful human. I am Aishwarya. Welcome to my channel, All Things Venus. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Oh, oh, oh. I am much better at makeup than I am at singing, I promise. Oh my god, their skin, guys, is so beautiful. It's so moist, it's so gorgeous. So, I'm applying hyaluronic acid by Be Minimalist, bathing in it, plumbing the pesky little fine lines you have here and here. Pattern press, advanced nail mucin. This is going to lock and seal all the moisture that hyaluronic acid is attracted. I'm going to mist my face one more time. Next, I'm applying Johnson & Johnson baby cream. Let it absorb into the skin, and I'm going to use this time to do the brows. I saw this in Charlotte Tilbury's video where she first brushes all the eyebrows down. All Victoria's Secret models' eyebrows are so fluffy and bushed up. Use this. Smells amazing. Just misting it with some water. This is also gonna give my brows some hold. I'm applying Rimmel Lasting Finish Makeup Primer. This is a very smoothing, at the same time a very moisturizing primer. And if we blend it, there, do you see that little bit of pinky sheen it gives to the skin? Don't feel obligated to buy these products, guys. I'm just sort of recreating with whatever I have. You can do the same. I'm gonna do the eye makeup first because if there's any fallout, I can clean it up and then do my skin last. Kendall Jenner is tight lining all the time, so I'm gonna do that. I've made a video on 3 easy techniques to tight line. Kendall Jenner's eye makeup is always so beautifully smudged. Can't really tell if it's actually her own eye shape or if it's smudged. It's always smoked out. And it comes quite wide out over here, you know. So a lot of times people ask me, how do I wear tight line on the upper lash line, inner part of the upper lash line, and nude eyeliner on the lower lash line. So once I apply kohl, I let it sit for a while on the top lash line, and then I sort of take a earbud, wipe it all away, and then put nude liner. So what we're doing is we're giving it some time to navigate. Revlon Skin Lights. See that? There's hardly any shimmer or shine. It's just sort of beautiful, peachy, goldeny, champagne-y sort of a shade. This shade screams Victoria's Secret models to me. I'm going to use my favorite foundation, Chambord 301 in Enriched Honey, and I'm going to mix that with another favorite of mine, Beaujour 53 Light Beige. Add a little bit of 55 Dark Beige just to give the skin a little bit of a tan look. If you're getting value from this video, smash that like button. And if you want to see more of
my content, then hit subscribe.
It's a beautiful shade, guys. There's a video I saw where the makeup artist of Victoria's Secret models, I'll like link it in the description box. In that, what she does is she just applies it here, just in the center. And she also said that she likes to apply it here, in the cupid's bow. Blend all the creases, touch. You see how I've not gone in with powder like that, I've just lightly touched it. I'm just going to apply this powder in the center parts of my face, around the lip. One of my favorite powders, just lightly onto the brush. It provides the most beautiful finishing. Like, if you've ever used MAC mineralized powder, this is a little bit like that, except the undertone is more yellow, so it gives that brightening. If you were to like draw a triangle from your eyebrows to your nose point, in that area I'm using this because it's got that very light lemony yellow kind of an undertone. It's gonna brighten that area. Oh my god, guys, her contour is so beautifully done. Try my best to replicate that. You can see it's a very grey, very grunge kind of a contour. Angular brush, taking it onto the brush like that. So the cardinal rule for contouring is you sort of take the highest point of your eyebrow and draw imaginary line, and draw a line, imaginary line from here, this point on where your nose ends, and wherever these two lines meet, that is the final place where your contour stops. And I'm applying bronzer a little on that contour of Victoria's Secret models. You will see this in all the models. Signature C. Are we glowing yet? Her blush is not really visible in some pictures, but if you see the picture with the flash, in that it is visible. She's got like eyes like that, and then she's just got a lot of gap here. I feel like she's a Capricorn ascendant. Which ascendant do you guys think she is? We are going to do the signature Victoria's Secret's inner corner highlight. I feel like Kendall Jenner's makeup wasn't 100% signature Victoria's Secrets. Like Candice and Adriana are always wearing highlighter in the inner corners. She was wearing very little. For Candice, they kind of take it all the way till here. Kendall, however, was only wearing it till here, just in the tear duct area. On tops of my cheekbones. It's a baked highlighter, so it doesn't show any texture. Apples of the shoulder, a little bit on the collarbone.
That's the final look. To see how I did these Victoria's Secret soft curls, go to the next video.